Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Vechain update for Monday. And here we are guys with the Vechain, and it seems like Vechain is trying to lose a very important um, support level. And very quickly join the Discord as well if you're not into the Discord. And is Vechain gonna, is it might be interested to come down to fill this wick and potentially lose it as well, and then go down to this price level that I've given you for a long time ago, right? I was talking about this level 33 cents, maybe even 1.5 months ago, just when we actually lost SOP near the 70s and the 60s. I was giving you this target back up there. You can already watch those videos. I do have the videos in the channel. And very quickly, Vechain is putting in an evening star. All right, so when you see green candle, doji in the middle, and then a red candle like that one, that's an evening star, and this results in a bearish pattern. And you might see dumps today and a continuation of dumps, as a matter of fact. But that also tells me that it seems like Bitcoin is going to dump as well. Because Vechain is not going to dump on itself, actually Bitcoin is the one that starts to dump. So this could be an indicator that Bitcoin has some shadiness coming up with it. So basically what I'm just saying right now is that you're losing this yellow line, and you can already see, if I try to zoom in there into this detail, you're closing below that yellow line, and that's not something you want to see. That's not good at all. That's really negative. It's not what you want to see. So I'm just going to dive into the 4-hour time frame as well, and just look at that. You're already been declined at the yellow line, and that's what I'm talking about. You came down, lost the yellow line, and then boom, moving sideways, right? So you're losing the yellow line above, which was a trend line, and then you're losing the support of the yellow line as well. So two things are being lost, and you're potentially going to start to roll over and over, potentially come down again to the 39 and even lose the 39 and go to the downside. Well, I'm gonna warn you, if you're looking for an entry, don't enter Vechain. And by the way, I actually exited Vechain a very long time ago, back when we were up here in the 70s and the 60s. I took my loss, but to prevent further loss. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna buy again. When Bitcoin settles down, I think it's gonna be very good opportunity to get Vechain at a very cheap price. And I'm just gonna go again with the Vechain. I'm gonna get even way more Vechain. I'm not quitting on the project. The project is good, and I do think it's gonna have a good future. But right now, it's bad. Okay, right now it's in a downtrend. Unless we don't break the downtrend, and Bitcoin doesn't also break the downtrend, and we get some bullish cross or some bullish momentum out of Bitcoin and Vechain combined, then I don't think I'm going to be investing anytime soon. And please watch the Bitcoin update for you to understand where Vechain is going to move to the downside or the upside as well. So at least for now, for today and tomorrow potentially, I'm expecting some red candles. I don't know what's going to happen after that. We're going to see in the future as well. So that's it, a small short quick update for you, and join the Discord as well, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.